Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope that you're having a wonderful day and that you're doing well. I'm joined with my sweet little dog Alice, and today, you can probably spot it, we are going to be filming a sipsby box unboxing. This is my April sipsby box. Sipsby, if you don't know, is a female-owned tea subscription box service. I've been using them for like almost 2 years now, and every month I have a new box of teas to look forward to. They have tea brands from all over the world that they collab, that they work with, and I get to try and discover new brands all the time, which I love. A lot of them are small businesses too, which is so great. Now basically each month, sipsby handpicks teas that they think I'm gonna love based on my tea preferences, my tea tastes, all of that. They have an online questionnaire that you fill out, and you can always update that questionnaire at any time if you find that some of the teas you're getting aren't your favorite anymore, or you're just not loving the teas that you're getting in your box. You can also rate your teas each month too. So they take all that information, and for each month, they pick out teas that they think that you're gonna love. So they've always done a really great job with my boxes. I have updated my questionnaire, I think twice in the past 2 years, and it always reflects the changes. I always get teas that I love, so it's really fun. If you are interested in trying out sipsby, you're more than welcome to feel free to use my code TLOVE to save $5 off your first box. I'll have a link in the description bar where you can find sipsby and all of that. And a huge thank you also to sipsby. They actually gifted me this box to enjoy, so I'm very excited to open it up. So without further ado, make sure to grab a delicious cup of tea. I'm actually having a cashew milk matcha latte. It's from Green Mustache. I'm actually visiting Whistler, Canada right now, so I'm really excited to try this. I love Green Mustache. I've been going there quite a lot whenever I visit Whistler, but I don't think I've ever had matcha green tea there, so it's my first time trying it. So virtual cheers, and we will get started with today's video. All right, so let us open up the box. They recently changed their packaging too. The box is a little bit smaller, and then they now are just using one paper. Sometimes they used to include two. Now they just do one. So they're very eco-friendly with their packaging and all of that, very sustainable, which I love. And then you'll see here, this is the sipsby tea sachets that they include if you get loose leaf tea. So they'll have that there, but it's a muslin cloth bag, and it's also reusable, so you can also use it to steep your tea. So that's awesome. And now just so you guys know, for my tea preferences, I prefer like a mix. I like some loose leaf tea, but I also like tea and tea bags too. So they always reflect my preferences in here. Now here you'll see they have all my tea matches for the month. It'll say tea matches for Emily. And here it reads, "Hi Emily, April is here and we're welcoming sunnier days, delightful spring celebrations, the first colorful blooms of the season. We hope the new growth and new teas have you feeling inspired, rejuvenated, nourished. Cheers, Team sipsby." And in here, it look like it's a little sneak peek of the different teas. I'm already seeing a tea that I love. It's called Breakfast in Paris by Stash Tea. There's also this Goodnight tea, tropical punch blend, and a blackberry mint. And oh my goodness, tropical punch blend is by Tea Head. I feel like that's a brand I've heard before. All right, so let's start unboxing. I'm so excited. So as mentioned, muslin cloth bag with the little tea sachets. This is always in my boxes, and I do use these muslin cloth bags to reuse them quite a few times to make tea. I love that they do that. And then here, I'm already seeing the tea I'm really excited about. It's by Stash Tea, and it's called Breakfast in Paris. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited. It's a blended black tea. It has lavender, bergamot, and vanilla, and I'm so excited to try this. All right, so Breakfast in Paris was amazing. I knew I would love it though, because I love lavender, like black teas. All the notes in this are totally up my alley with that bergamot. And I love this. So I ended up making it as a latte. And normally if I do a latte, I usually do 2 tea bags just so the taste is a little bit more stronger. But honestly, it was so good just with like the oat milk that I added, just with the 1 tea bag. I highly recommend it. All right, the next tea I'm gonna pull out is right here. This is a black tea, gunpowder. There's peppermint, blackberry, marigold, sage, and natural flavoring. It is called Blackberry mint tea, and it is by Nelson's Tea. I've never heard of Nelson's Tea before, so looking forward to Googling them and to see kind of what other teas they do and everything. Sipsby will also probably have a couple other tea blends available too on their website. That's another awesome thing about Sipsby. if you do find a tea you love, and if you're a subscriber to them, you actually save on the teas on their website. So if they carry this brand, you actually get a discounted price on it, which is super awesome. I bet this tea is amazing ice, but I decided to make it like as a hot tea because the day I was filming, it was like really rainy and cold, and I'm like, you know what, I need like a nice warm tea. And the flavor was so good. You can really taste the blackberry and that nice balance of like a green black tea blend. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. Had a very calming taste to it. Alice is snoozing right beside me. I don't even think you guys can see her, but she's such a sweetie right now. It's definitely her nap time right now. Now this next tea is called, oh my gosh, this looks so cool packaging. It's called the Witchwood Teahouse. It's an organic loose leaf tea. And it's called the Goodnight tea blend. And let's see, each tea is crafted in small batches using only the finest organic and natural ingredients. And oh my gosh, you guys, and they have a little tree stamp. I did these back on my wedding invitations a long time ago. I love how they look where you press it. So cool. It totally goes with their Witchwood theme. Very like kind of a fairy tale-y vibe to it. This is so neat. Now inside this tea, there is spearmint, chamomile, lemon balm, rose, valerian, and a touch of stevia. I love this detail. So cute. I'm very excited to try this. I love getting a nighttime tea. They seem to be in the habit of including a nighttime tea in most of my sipsby boxes, which I love. There's like a tea for the morning, early afternoon, late afternoon, and after dinner. And I just love that about sipsby. They really have teas for their whole day. I love that. At least my boxes have been like that so far. This tea was so lovely as a bedtime tea. If you're looking for a new nighttime, sleepy time tea to try, I highly recommend this one. I actually want to order more of this. I love the valerian notes to this, the lemon, the rose, so good. There's a little bit of chamomile in there as well. And it was just very soothing, very calming. And it definitely like just helped me feel kind of at ease, ready for bed. So good. All right, and then the last tea we're gonna pull out is by Teahouse, as mentioned. And this is a brand I've had from sipsby before, and it's called the Tropical Punch Tea Blend. There's apple, rose hip, hibiscus, coconut flakes, pineapple cubes, more hibiscus, and some coconut flavoring too in here. And then about this tea, so discover paradise in this tropical punch blend, a lush combination of hibiscus flowers, pineapple, and rose hips. Coconut flakes add an extra dash of tropical sweetness for a sipping experience you'll never forget. Just like a perfect island vacation. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. Add a drop of honey or try this tea iced for a refreshing treat. I definitely want to make this iced because it's definitely warmed up here in the more recent weeks. So I'm very excited to try it. This is my new favorite summer iced tea. At least I feel that way when I had this. It was so delicious. You can taste the rose hips, the pineapple, the like bits of hibiscus flowers. I didn't really taste the coconut, but I'm sure it was there. I didn't add any sweetener because I really just wanted to taste what the tea was, you know, on its own. And it was just so refreshing. It is such a summer tea. So good. All right, you guys, so that is it for this month's unboxing of my April sipsby box. I had just got a notification that my May box is shipped. It's actually currently May right now, in case you guys are wondering, so I can't wait for that to come in and see what the teas of the month are gonna be. I'm really, really happy. There's a lot of variety in here, and I'm really excited to try all of these teas. You guys probably already saw, because I always include footage of me making the tea, so I can give you guys my little review too, but as I'm filming this, I currently haven't steeped the tea yet, so I'm curious to see what I'm gonna think in the future. I'll see that while I'm editing. But anyway, you guys, I'm wishing you a wonderful rest of your day. Take care. I hope it's a magical one, and I'll see you in my next video. Goodbye for now, you guys.
Woof? What is woof? There is a woof? My goodness.